Chris Brown, the American R&B singer, is facing serious legal trouble in London. He was arrested on May 15, 2025, in Manchester. Brown, age 36, is charged with grievous bodily harm. This charge is related to an alleged assault that took place on February 19, 2023. A Manchester court has ordered that Brown be held in custody. He will remain so until at least June 13, 2025, while he awaits further legal proceedings. The severity of the charge and the decision to hold him in custody underscore the seriousness of the allegations against him. This is not Brown's first brush with the law. He has been involved in various legal issues over the years. This latest incident raises concerns about a pattern of behavior. The charges against Brown are very serious. Grievous bodily harm suggests significant injury was inflicted on the alleged victim. As the legal process unfolds, more details about the incident and the evidence against Brown are likely to emerge. The court's decision to hold Brown in custody is a significant development. It indicates that the judge considers him a potential flight risk. It also suggests that the court views the charges against him as credible and serious. This decision will undoubtedly have a major impact on Brown's personal and professional life. His legal team is expected to challenge the custody order. However, for now, he remains behind bars in a British jail. Chris Brown's arrest occurred in Manchester, a city in northern England. This location is significant because the alleged assault took place in London, over 160 miles away. The distance between the two cities raises questions about the circumstances of his arrest and the scope of the investigation. It is unclear why Brown was in Manchester or if he was aware of the charges against him before his arrest. The Metropolitan Police, responsible for policing Greater London, have jurisdiction over the case. This suggests that the alleged assault in February 2023 is at the center of the investigation. The alleged assault is said to have occurred on February 19, 2023, at a venue in Hanover Square, London. Hanover Square is a prestigious area known for its upscale restaurants, art galleries, and luxury residences. The details of the alleged assault and the events leading up to it are still unknown. It is unclear if Brown was attending a public event or a private gathering. The identity of the alleged victim and their relationship to Brown have not been publicly disclosed. The time lapse between the alleged assault in February 2023 and Brown's arrest in May 2025 is considerable. This delay could be attributed to a number of factors, including the complexity of the investigation, the gathering of evidence, and potential legal hurdles in securing an arrest warrant. The Metropolitan Police have released limited information about the case, citing ongoing legal proceedings. British law enforces strict reporting restrictions when it comes to active criminal cases. These restrictions are in place to protect the integrity of the judicial process and ensure a fair trial for the accused. The purpose of these restrictions is to prevent the publication of information that could prejudice potential jurors. The goal is to ensure that any future trial is conducted solely on the evidence presented in court and not influenced by media coverage or public opinion. The limited information available about the charges against Chris Brown is a direct result of these reporting restrictions. British media outlets are prohibited from disclosing specific details that could jeopardize Brown's right to a fair trial. This includes information about the alleged victim, witnesses, and the evidence presented against him. The restrictions are designed to prevent the case from being tried in the court of public opinion. These reporting restrictions can be frustrating for those seeking a full understanding of the case. However, they are a cornerstone of the British legal system, reflecting a deep commitment to due process and the presumption of innocence until proven guilty. The limited information available underscores the importance of respecting the legal process and allowing the justice system to run its course without undue influence. Despite the legal restrictions, the media plays a crucial role in covering high-profile cases like Chris Brown's. Journalists have a responsibility to report on the case accurately and fairly, while respecting the limitations imposed by British law. The challenge for the media is to provide comprehensive coverage without jeopardizing the integrity of the legal process. This requires a delicate balance between informing the public and upholding the principles of fair trial. The media's coverage of Brown's case has been largely respectful of the reporting restrictions. News outlets have focused on the basic facts of the case, such as the charges, the arrest, and the court proceedings. However, the lack of detailed information has led to speculation and conjecture. Social media in particular has been rife with rumors and unsubstantiated claims. The potential impact of these charges on Chris Brown's career is significant. He has already faced professional consequences for past legal troubles. This latest incident could further damage his reputation and alienate fans. Sponsors and business partners may also be hesitant to associate with him. The outcome of the legal proceedings will undoubtedly have a major impact on his future in the music industry. Only time will tell how this latest chapter in Chris Brown's legal saga will unfold.